Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe. Can I get a hell yeah? La 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 yeah. So today, I don't know, just a little freestyle session. We have this very soft ombre, white blue to lavender look, and we did a start to finish, just relaxing vibes, you know. If you want to see how to get the look, please stay tuned. So the sun setting right now is reflecting off my building. It's giving me this light, so I'm going to keep changing the light as we go. But I thought it could be a vibe. I'm going to take my Gleam by Melanie Mills Body Radiance and I'm going to mix it with my favorite SPF. I know the sun's setting, but I'm like, you know what? Let's start getting into practice of SPF, especially because we're getting into warmer weather. Seems like a lot of places the only time you can go outside, or the only place you can go is outside. I know in a lot of other places much more is open, but in Canada we're pretty locked down still, but we can enjoy outside. Give us a glow. It's gonna look so crazy with this lighting in here. I'm gonna go into my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, seal it all in. And on top of that, I'm gonna use the, oops, not you, the Sheglam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. It's $9 US, and I really like it actually. And that was in the shade Earth. I like to do it when everything's still kind of settling in. Gives you a little bit of moving around time, especially because it is more on the matte side. We did all that work prepping our skin underneath so we can still have a glow. This is a natural finish foundation, so it does reflect light a little bit once it dries. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty concealers. I have caramel corn and granola. I've been mixing these two lately. Granola I'm going to put on the very, I should use a mirror for crying out loud. I'm going to use granola on the higher points of my face. Whoops. There. Here, just a little bit, and then go in with the caramel corn right underneath my eyes. Oh, I'm almost out. Right here. Beauty blender. Just gonna dab it in, and I like to blend the darker one first, which is the caramel corn. I'm gonna need a little more. I was being mad conservative with it. And be concealed. I like to make sure this is blended first because I don't want to mix the two together. I put them in their own places for a reason, and I want them to set before I go ahead and like mix them, even though I just mixed this. There's barely anything there because they're in their own spot for a reason, like I said. This I want to lift my cheeks with. And I always like to go on my eyelid because, you know, people have darkness on underneath their eye. I have it a little bit upper inner corner and kind of on my eyelid. They're a little bit veiny on the chin. It's interesting lighting today, that's for sure. Do the nose. Oh, alrighty. Now we're gonna do some eye breezies. I have this musty, crusty eyebrow brush that I've had for 60 million years, Act 263, and my dip down fluid line. I'm just gonna do one eyebrow on camera, we'll see though. And lately I've just been like, oh, whatever, get them on. So I'm gonna kind of go with that vibe. I'm just filling in the gaps. I do little strokes. I don't even know why I do this half the time because, well, half the time I end up just filling it in. You want to make sure your eyebrows are kind of combed up. I don't know. Oh, here's one. Comb them up first. That'll make it easier. And then just dragging the line and brushing them up. Then you can kind of brush it down, see if you missed any gaps. As you can see, it changes quite a bit. I'm going to do a little bit of swipies down, but mostly I'm just filling it in. Haha. Because when your eyebrows are this light, you can kind of go in and darken it after. I feel like I need to shave my friggin' face, which I usually do before a video. It's so funny because on the camera you see so many things, or when you're looking at yourself this close. Nice and Spock-like. Then to the other side off camera. Now they're all big and crazy. I'm about to just snatch it up a little bit of concealer foundation mix, and I'm just gonna roll it underneath. I always make them like, well, they're always big, but real big, and then snatch it up with some concealer afterwards. Oh, what sound is that? There's a sound I saw on TikTok, and it's like this kid who's like, macaroni with the chicken strips. Oh, that's the sound I just feel like I made. All right, it's coming together. And want to make sure your brush is nice and flat. This one could use some repair. There's little hairs that are kind of sticking out on the end. Sometimes I'll go and just cut those off really close to the base. I think I've already done that with this brush. Looks like I have, just to keep it nice and sharp. I have little brush spa days. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that, because I like to, well, when it comes to certain things, repair them. I don't know about that. I have some shit that's very much falling apart, and I do the bare minimum. The light's changing on us. We gotta hurry. I'm gonna take the P.Louise blank canvas base. I like it because it's a little bit peach. I might, the sun's about to go past this building. Might wait, see if I can catch the really golden sun at the end. We will see. I just like to tap this on all over. As you can see. Alright. It looks all cool toned right now, but once that sun comes from behind the building, it's gonna be very orange. I almost forgot to do brow gel, so I'm gonna use the Nudestix Brow Boost Style Gel XL. They came out with some new, so I'm gonna try some of their stuff. So this is the brow gel. I'll have to try this on. When I go to the gym, I like put brow gel in, cause like if they flip down, I look very bald. Anywho, back to eyes. I was gonna do something on this eye and then I'm like, nah. So I took it off and restarted. Anywho, let's do the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. I'm gonna do that in my crease because that's how I like to start things. Nice and bronzy, yonzy. Waiting for that sun to come back around if it will, before I'm finished. So I'm gonna go into the Morphe Icy Fantasy 35-1 and I'm gonna start with a white color. Okay, let's just do this. And I'm gonna go onto my eyelid, like that, with the white color. Then I'm gonna go into this periwinkle shade and I'm gonna do that in the center and pull it out, just on the lid. I want each color to kind of blend into the next. Then I'm gonna go into this purple shade because I haven't done purple in so long. It's like lavender. And blend that into the blue. Hopefully it's cute, I don't know. We'll see, we're about to find out today. Reporting live. And I always find with pastels like this or any type of bright color, usually you have to layer it quite a bit. So I'll be going back in with the blue after. I just don't know if purple's my shade, you know? I feel like I look good in like the kind of greeny, seafoam, bluey kind of colors. I'm gonna touch up the blue a little bit. I'm doing everything in layers. All right, and then I'm gonna carve it out a little bit so it looks clean. Same thing that we used for the eyebrows and just do a little whoop. Gonna go to the Dark Deep Mineralize Skin Finish. I've been saying this for 10 million years. Give myself a generous bronze. Feeling into the hollows of my cheeks and scooping it around, going along my jawline. Same thing on this side. And then back in with the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. My favorite Smith 122 brush. Going right down the sides of my nose. And right at the tip, just turn it up a bit. KVD Vegan Beauty Foxglove, the one I showed in my video a little while ago. Highlight area kind of generous. Bridge of the nose, generous. Other side, generous. I just want to look very glowy, you know? I'm gonna take my Ella lashes. I like using lashes 2 videos in a row. You get your money's worth, you know? Are these them? Yep, those are them. Just taking off the glue from last time. And Nudestix has, I've actually never tried their mascara, but I just bought them. I think these are both new. There's a vegan splash proof mascara. I'm not gonna be splashing today, so I'm just gonna use the regular one, lash lengthening mascara. Give myself a nice coat. Oh, this is pretty. You know what I like? It's not chunky. It looks like my real lashes. Okay, just in case you find a husband at the gym, I just like to look not dead. So I use a very natural mascara. This is probably what I would wear. So I don't care about my top lashes too much. It's the bottoms. So once we get to the bottom, we'll see what this looks like, because it looks like the texture of this mascara is so soft and wispy that I won't need to put mascara on my top lashes. Every time I do my bottom lashes with something super chunky, I have to put some on my falsies so the textures match and it doesn't look all crazy. This is a very pretty mascara though. Okay, let's just do the bottoms right now. Even though I'm not sure if I'm finished my eye. I just want to see. Oh yeah. Oops. For crying out loud. It's super pretty. Very not chunky too. It's very smooth. Now that the sun's out, I want to make it like a little bit more extra. So I'm just going to brighten up the colors a bit. I don't get it on my eyelashes. I want to keep it nice and pillowy and like a cloud. And I'm going to put a little bit more of the white in the inner corner of my eye too. Should I put eyeliner? I don't know. I think I should just leave it. I did eyeliner in my last video. Lips. Whatever about lips. Count. I'm always wearing a mask. I don't care. I'm going to just try the Hydropeptide Lip Shea Butter Shea and Avocado by Nudestix. It's clear. And ready to party. Oh shit, it smells really good. It's like vanilla and mint and shea butter. Time to take off the headband and we'll see what we got. Alright, so that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. We went through a whole sea of different lighting situations. We have this cloudy, powdery look. We missed the sunset a little bit. It's still going down over there, but anyways, I wanted to get it done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.